Hello and welcome, interior designers and students. I'm thrilled to have you on this journey with me. My name is Anna, and I will guide you through the ultimate SketchUp course and where you will learn how to create beautiful 3D designs and scale drawings. Together, we will build our Eden Springs home, a residential heaven encompassing common rooms, from the welcoming entryway, functional home office, and cozy bedroom, to more intricate spaces like bathrooms, laundry, and kitchen areas. We will design all of those rooms together. Our journey begins with drawing a 2D floor plan, utilizing 2D furniture to construct a spatial plan. Progressing steadily, we elevate the complexity, establishing the framework with 3D walls, windows, and doors. Along the way, you will learn to create baseboards, 3D wall panels, and master the application of textures and materials. We will then furnish the entire house with furniture and accessories, and you will gain exclusive access to my time-lapse videos showcasing the design process for our Eden Springs furniture. There's more. I will share essential measurements, provide in-depth ebooks for specific rooms, and grant exclusive access to my fixtures collection, featuring sinks, shower heads, bathtubs, and much more, enabling you to expedite your 3D projects. I will show you how you can present your 3D designs to your clients, creating a video presentation like this one. And as we approach the end of the course, we will take your 3D designs to the next level and learn how to use SketchUp layout to create comprehensive design documentations, mastering detailed floor and spatial plans, electrical plans, and elevations. You will be equipped with access to all of my templates and symbols, ensuring you are well prepared for your design projects. A big thank you to everyone who has joined this course. I really appreciate you being here, and I'm just excited to help you in your creative journey using SketchUp. I encourage you to actively engage, ask questions, and just enjoy the learning process. I remember when I started using SketchUp, it was really confusing, when in fact it's really easy to learn. So yeah, once you get a hang of it, you will see how effortlessly you can create 3D designs. And remember, this journey is not just about mastering SketchUp, it's about creating, transforming your ideas into stunning visual designs that you can show to your clients. Please, if you have any questions during the course, do not hesitate to reach out to me via email. I'm happy to help. Again, thank you for being here, and let's get you started.